In this video, the number one law of attraction esoteric teaching for manifesting money fast. Yes, I said the word esoteric and money in the same sentence. But when you use this technique, it sounds shocking and it might throw you off guard, but it works and it works quickly. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Make sure you hit the like button right over there if you want to manifest more money, and let's dive right into this video. Okay, so money is fill in the blank. What's the first thing that comes to mind? Money is good, money is bad, money is evil, money is worthless, money isn't as important as happiness. What comes to mind? What propaganda have you been programmed with? So, what if I said money is God? Now that is a very shocking thing to say to a lot of people. But let me break it down for you why money is God. Therefore, why God is money. Therefore, why it's good that you have a lot of money. And it is totally divine and part of the natural order of the universe that you should, could, and can have a lot of money. So if you're operating from the assumption, and the way that I'm operating from is that everything is energy. Science has long proven that everything is energy, and the walls, the desk, your body is just energy. It's just energy moving at different rates or speeds of vibration. But it's all the same energy. There's one originating source of all the different myriad frequencies and vibrations of energy that we perceive as the physical world and the various separate, distinctly different pieces of matter, my body, that desk, that window, this camera, all the you, me, all the separate things in the physical world. But it's all energy. And though we can't see it, it's all connected. And you can call this energy God, spirit, consciousness, universe. You can call it anything that you want. I love what Alan Watts says. You can't get wet by the word water. Comment that down below. You can't get wet by the word water. Comment that down below. You can't get wet by the word water. So, doesn't matter what you call it God, call it spirit, call it consciousness, call it universal intelligence, divine mind, doesn't really matter. But there's only one energy here, there's only one source, and this source is all this God energy. And therefore, it is money, and it is you. And it is in everything else. And the Bible says the kingdom of heaven is within. So, this divine intelligence, this God energy is not separate from you, it's not separate from me, and it's certainly not separate from money. So if you think about it like this, that you're made in the image of God, or you're one with the divine intelligence, and that it created you, and that you're here for your own spiritual lessons or experiences, or to realize your oneness with God, whatever your philosophy on life is. So, but if you believe, or if you look at the world as that you are one with this universal intelligence, and this universal intelligence created you, don't you think that this God energy would want you to experience the fullness of creation? Like, if God created epic places in the South Pacific, or really cool mountains in Switzerland, or great snow and hiking things, and you love snow, or you love scuba diving, don't you think you should be able to go to the South Pacific? And if it's a 14-hour flight, like, you should be able to fly first class. If you love the Swiss Alps, you should be able to go to the Swiss Alps and ski. And you should be able to do the things that God created that light your soul on fire, that spark, that excitement and joy for life within you. Why? Because if you are one with this energy, and you are divine intelligence, that you have that divine being within you, that you are a divine being, you should be able to experience the fullness of what this universe has actually created. Right? At least that's the way I look at it. So, therefore, I say that money is your right to have. It's your birthright, it's your spiritual birthright to have. Not for the sake of having paper, but for the things you can do with the paper. or mostly now, the things you can do with the plastic, because we're largely moving to a digital currency. But what is it that you could do? Because you're worthy of all those things, whether it's to put your kids in a great school, fund the most epic charity in the world, and stop child diseases from dirty water, or it's that you want to drive your dream car, live in your dream house, have the freedom to be an artist, make music, travel the Swiss Alps, whatever it is that inspires you in life, or that you want to experience in life. It comes from you being able to essentially buy the experiences quite often with money. Therefore, if money is just God and you're just God, and all this reality is this universal spirit intelligence, that it's all one and the same, then in essence, money is good. Money is God. Money is God in action that allows you to live out your highest intentions, to experience all the beauties and richness that life actually has to offer. Because it has a lot to offer. You're not meant, like a lot of people think that they're actually meant to not have a lot of money. My parents never had any, or the bankers have controlled the system. I didn't go to the right school, or I'm not smart. No. It is your spiritual right to have it. And a lot of people have forgotten that. So I said in this video, this is the number one esoteric teaching, because normally we look at money like paper, and we look at ourselves like a physical body. But you're not just a physical body, and this isn't even a physical universe. This is all made up of this. It's all made up of different vibrations, different energy. Now, like I said, you can call this God, spirit, energy, vibration, consciousness, Allah, Buddha, Krishna. You can call it Phil. You can call it anything that you want. But it's in everything. Therefore, money is good. You can make the world a better place by having money. Some people say, well, money's the root of all evil, or I'll be bad if I have it. Money, I can tell you, just makes you more of what you already are. If you're generous, you're going to have a lot more opportunities to be generous. If you're generous and you had $1 billion, or if you were generous and you made $200,000 a month, or if you were generous and you made $5,000 a month, don't you think you could do a lot more good in the world? Yes, the answer is yes. So it is your right to have it. That it's actually a part of God's plan that you should be rich, that you should have money. Because you're helping carrying out the plan of God, the higher order of the universe of service to all and for all to live a better life. If you have more money, therefore more opportunities to be more generous. So actually, believing that we're meant to not have it is really the thing that creates, quote unquote, I don't even really enjoy the word, but you just, in reference to the Bible teaching, evil. Not having it, because when you have it, you can live out your highest excitement, do all the things that you want to do, help all the people, live out your highest vision. You're able in this material world to essentially crack the cheat code and live your fullest life and inspire others to do it too. So you have to decide right now. It is your right to be rich. Comment that down below. It is my right to be rich. Comment down below. It is my right to be rich. And here's what I invite you to do. Start to see having money as a godly thing, as a divine thing, as part of the natural spiritual order of life. And that it is a part of your spiritual lessons and missions that you're here to learn, which is the energy of prosperity and how to become more generous and more free. The energy of prosperity is one of your lessons that you've incarnated here to learn and here to master. And it begins by knowing clearly and deciding now, none of those old belief systems are true. The one that is true is that it is my right to be rich. That money is God, God is money. That it is my right to be rich. Comment down below, it is my right to be rich. If you haven't yet, and you want to start reprogramming all your belief systems, I created a success hypnosis. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's free, jakeshypnosis.com. I made it for myself probably 7 years ago now, maybe 6. And I reprogrammed all my belief systems, and I got these crazy, incredible results. This YouTube channel went viral. I started giving it to my friends. Then I started giving it to some clients, and everyone was just getting these crazy results. And so as I started making this YouTube channel, I actually started giving it away for free. And now all almost 600,000 people from all over the world have used it. Every day I get an amazing, incredible success story of someone attracting money. It works miracles. It works fast results. So it's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com, so you can go down there, right there down below, and use it for free every day to reprogram and brainwash yourself, your subconscious, reprogram it to have and attract more and more prosperity. It's jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. It is your right to be rich. You're going to be more generous, more free, live out the highest vision of your life, and help others do the same. Therefore, lots of money is headed your way. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, even if you're already subscribed. Just double check you've actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side to get notified for new videos. And have a fantastic day.